Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here to share my next design team project for Craft Supplies for You. And this time I've made something I've never done before, and that is some fabric perfume bottles. I've been inspired by so many people that I've seen make these: Margaret Tomaso, Siobhan, Jeannie Dreamer. So I really wanted to give these a try myself and just kind of see what I could do. So I started off with a template that I hand drew, and tomorrow when I have my live class I will have the template that I can share with you guys, and I'm also going to be showing you how to make these tomorrow during my live class, but I wanted to share two that I've already made for my DT project, because I use tons of Craft Supplies for You goodies on here. So yeah, you can get the template for these tomorrow. But as I started off with some beautiful fabric that a dear friend had sent to me, and I'm sure she'll see it, I wanted to create something with that fabric. I was inspired by it. So I drew this first template, and you can see it better kind of like this. So it's just a basic shape, and then all I did was I folded a piece of paper in half and drew out my template. So that is the shape of this one, and I'll show you the second shape in a moment. So I started off, like I said, with that fabric, and you can also make these, like you can sew them, or you can use Fabri-Tac or any kind of fabric glue to make these. So they can be a no-sew project. I did sew mine, however. So I used this beautiful lace, and I think I still have a little bit left here. Maybe I don't. Oh, wait, I do. It's this beautiful new lace that Julie has in her store, and I put that down on the background. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous lace. It's beautifully embroidered. So that's what is in the background of this bottle. And then I printed off my image, I backed it with felt, and then I used this really pretty little dainty trim here that you can see going all along the edge of the image. That's also from Craft Supplies for You. I used this really pretty gimp trim here from KS4U going all up the seams. And then as you can see, I also went around the top of the bottle here. And then I used this beautiful pearl dangle trim, which I don't know if Julie still got this in stock, but I know she's going to try and get that back in. And I went around the bottle with that. And then I used some of the satin flowers from KS4U here. Or this, yeah, these are just like a gathered flower with a pearl. They're from Craft Supplies for You. And then I used lots of dangles from KS4U. I used the rose one here. And then underneath that, I have used another dangle trim here, and then a third one behind that. They're all from KS4U, and of course this beautiful pearl piece right here is from Craft Supplies for You as well. And then at the top, I took some of the bridal trim that Julie just got in her store a while ago, and I folded it because I thought it resembled the top of a bottle there. You can see. So I put that along the top. That's the back you're seeing. And then there's the front. And then I made this really pretty bow over here, and I used a piece of bling from KS4U here. And the ribbon I used was from my swap with Ruby. Hey Ruby. And I used the ribbon, the beautiful ivory satin ribbon, and some sari ribbon that she had gifted me. And then this was a little applique that was sent to me as well from another one of my friends. And then on the back, I used one of the beautiful beaded appliques here just to finish off the back of the bottle. So that's the first one, and I'm really pleased with how it came out. These are so fun to make, so I'm excited about making a couple more tomorrow at my live class. And then this is the second one that I did, and this is the shape of the second bottle. So these are the ones that I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So let me just move this one over here now. And this one I did in a beautiful pink ticking, very French. I love ticking. And might as well start because I'm on the back here. This piece and this beautiful pink beaded butterfly are from Craft Supplies for You, as is the little pearl flowers here. This is actually a trim. And then I went along the edge with a soft pink Chinese braid from Julie's store. This trim here is from my stash, however. I just wanted to finish off the back. And then here's the front. I'm really pleased with this one too. They're so fun. The two trims that I've got, or the three trims I've got at the bottom, are all from Craft Supplies for You. I've got this beautiful pink long dangle trim behind this trim here that we call the picket fence trim. And then on the bottom of that trim, I've added all these little tiny white clay flowers. And then here I've added this beautiful floral trim from KS4U. And then I've also added 4 of these lovely little silvery gray ribbon flowers. I just thought it went really, really well with the pink. And then in the floral trim here, I've got some KS4U bling on either side and a little cameo from my stash. And then I created another bow over here with some ribbon from my stash, and I added some beads to the bottom of the ribbon. I just like doing that. And then some of these cone-shaped bead pieces here. And then another little silver flower. And then I used this image. I did put some felt behind it, but it's got a very faint stripe pattern in it, so it kind of looked like it was showing through the bottle, and I liked that effect. And then I used this really pretty pink floral trim here that Julie's got in her store, and then I cut up an applique that was a collar piece from KS4U. And then coming up here, these two pieces were also from another lace from KS4U, as was this little applique piece and the bling in the center. So that is that piece there. It's hard to get it all in camera. But I'm really pleased with how they came out, and I hope that you guys like them too. There's the back of that one again. They're so much fun, and like I said, tomorrow at my live class, I'm going to show you guys how to make these. So that's kind of going to be fun and exciting as well. And I will have the templates for you tomorrow so you can make your own, which is cool. And of course, in my Angel Dream Crafts Facebook group, I also share the images that I use as well. But all that will be for tomorrow. But for now, you can find the links for Craft Supplies for You to get all the beautiful goodies that I used in the description box below. There's the .net store, and there's the Zibbet store, and Julie's got the flowers on 40% off right now. And there's also 2 coupons. If you spend $50 US, you get free shipping. If you spend $30 US, then you get 20% off your order, and you can find those coupons on the stores. So let me know what you think, guys, and check out Craft Supplies for You. And I will see you guys later. Talk soon. Bye-bye.